If you're wondering how to build automated email campaigns in AWeber, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up quickly and effectively. You'll be up and running with automated emails in no time, whether you're a small business owner, marketer, or just trying to streamline your communication efforts. Let's jump into it. First, once you've logged into AWeber, you'll want to head straight to the Campaigns tab. This is where the magic happens. From here, you'll be able to create your first automated email campaign. If you've used email marketing software before, you'll find that AWeber's interface is pretty user-friendly, but let's go over a few details to make sure you're on the right track. The first thing you need to do is select Create a Campaign. This option will guide you through the initial steps of automation. You can choose from templates, or you can start from scratch. It's really up to your preferences. Starting from scratch is great if you're looking for complete customization. Next thing, once your campaign is created, you'll want to build your workflow. AWeber uses a drag and drop editor, so you can easily set up actions and triggers for when emails go out. For example, you can send a welcome email immediately when someone subscribes, or you can delay it for a few hours. You have full control over how and when emails get sent. Make sure you understand how to set triggers based on subscriber actions. This is the key to good automation. The third thing is to focus on your email content. AWeber provides pre-designed email templates, but you can also design your emails using their editor. The key here is to make sure your emails match your campaign's objective. If you're aiming for more engagement, focus on personalization. Include the subscriber's name and segment your emails so you're targeting the right people with the right message. The fourth thing is testing your automation before you launch it. AWeber lets you send test emails to yourself so you can see exactly how they'll look to your audience. This step is crucial to avoid any mistakes that could hurt your email's effectiveness. Double check your links, copy, and the general design. This is your last chance to make sure everything is in place. Now, let's talk about one of the more unique features AWeber offers, their split testing or A/B testing feature. It's not groundbreaking, but it's a useful tool if you want to test out different subject lines, email content, or sending times. Split testing can help you fine-tune your campaigns for better results, but don't expect it to be as advanced as some other platforms. Next, let's get critical. AWeber's pricing is decent, but compared to other tools like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit, it may not have as many advanced features, especially when it comes to segmentation and reporting. It's a solid tool, but there are competitors that might give you more bang for your buck if you need a more powerful email marketing automation system. Keep that in mind when deciding what works best for your business. Finally, I'll give you the scoop. While AWeber offers a free trial, I also want to mention a few other tools that have better options for building automated email campaigns. These alternatives offer more sophisticated features like advanced automation workflows, deeper analytics, and better customer segmentation. So, if you're looking for the best free trial and exclusive benefits, check out the link below. I've got an exclusive offer for you that'll help you start with the right software for your email marketing needs. Not only do I recommend AWeber, but I've also included other platforms that might be a better fit depending on your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab the best trial deals through our link, only available to you, our viewers.